विघ्नद्वान्त निवारणैकतरणैर्विघ्नाट विहव्यवाड् विघ्नव्यालकुलाभिमान गरुडो विघ्नेभ पञ्चाननः विघ्नो तुङ्गगिरिप्रभेदन पविर्विघ्नाम्बुधैर्वाडवो विघ्ना गौदगन प्रचण्ड पवनो विघ्नेश्वर पातु नः विघ्नेश्वर पातु नः विघ्नेश्वर पातु नः.
The May 26 lunar eclipse is total lunar eclipse, and it's visible in pretty much entire world except some places, but it is definitely visible in the eastern part of the India, southern part of the India, and some of the western part of the India like Maharashtra. It is going to be visible, and definitely it's going to be visible in for some time in Delhi, and also visible in the eastern part like Kolkata, and southern part like Chennai and Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. For more details, I'm going to give you the times of when it is going to be visible. The lunar eclipse happens when the earth comes between sun and the moon, and the earth's shadow covers the moon. Actually, we all know that all planets orbit around sun, but it appears to us from earth that all planets and the sun orbits around earth. That phenomena in astronomy is called the apparent annular path of the sun, or ecliptic. In Hindi or Sanskrit, it is also known as Kranti Vritta. So, moon is orbiting around earth. So whenever moon's orbit intersect with the ecliptic, on the north side is called moon's north node or Rahu, or south side is called moon's south node or Ketu, dragon's head or dragon's tail. These are the other names in astronomy. So whenever sun and the moon are at these points, it it gives us eclipse. This is the basically reason for eclipse, and that's the reason in our scriptures they say that Rahu Ketus are responsible for the eclipse, and they were completely right, because Rahu Ketus are the sole responsible for creating the eclipse. So today we are going to discuss the astrological predictions for the lunar eclipse and their visibility time. The total lunar eclipse timings in USA for Atlanta, Georgia, the eclipse will start at the 4:47 a.m. in the morning and ends at 6:35 a.m. For Boston, it is going to start at 4:47 a.m. and ends at 5:17 a.m. For Chicago, Illinois, it is going to start at 3:47 a.m. and end at 5:26 a.m. For Dallas, Texas, it is going to start at 3:47 a.m. and it's going to end at 6:28 a.m. For Denver, Colorado, it is going to start at 2:47 a.m. and end at 5:44 a.m. For Houston, Texas, it's going to start at 3:47 a.m. and end at 6:28 a.m. For Los Angeles, California, it is going to start at 1:47 a.m. and end at 5:54 a.m. And for Miami, Florida, it is going to start at 4:47 a.m. and end at 6:34 a.m. For Minneapolis, it is going to start at 3:47 a.m. and 5:40 a.m. For New York, it is going to start at 4:47 a.m. and 5:34 a.m. For Orlando, Florida, it is going to start at 4:47 a.m. and end at 6:34 a.m. For Portland, Oregon, it is going to start at 1:47 a.m. and end at 5:39 a.m. For San Francisco, California, it is going to start at 1:47 a.m. and end at 6:02 a.m. For Seattle, Washington, it is going to start at 1:47 a.m. and end at 5:30 a.m. For Toronto, Ontario, Canada, it is going to start at 4:47 a.m. and end at 5:47 a.m. And Vancouver, BC, Canada, it is going to start at 1:47 a.m. and end at 5:27 a.m. For Washington DC, it is going to start at 4:47 a.m. and ends at 5:51 a.m. So here you will notice that the start timing for people living in the Pacific time zone is always fixed. 4:40 is 1:47. For people living in Mountain time zone will be 2:47 a.m. For Central time zone will be 3:47 a.m. and for Eastern time zone is going to be 4:47 a.m. So why there are the different times? Because eclipse will end, the lunar eclipse will end when the really it ends or the moon has set. So these are the, so you, if you want to check for your own city, you can just find out the closest time from here, from these cities, or you can find the moonrise time for your city, the moonset time on May 26th, and that's the time the eclipse will end. The lunar eclipse will end. So this is the, so these are the timing for eclipse timing in United States. Now we are going to discuss the eclipse time for India. In India, eclipse will end at 7:20 p.m. and but it has got different starting time. For Ayodhya, eclipse will start on May 26, 2021 at 6:49 p.m. and end at 7:20 p.m. For Bengaluru, it will start at 6:43 p.m. and end at 7:20 p.m. For Bhopal, it will start at 7:02 p.m. and end at 7:20 p.m. For Chennai, it will start at 6:32 p.m. and end at 7:20 p.m. For Hyderabad, it will start at 6:47 p.m. and end at 7:20 p.m. For Indore, it will start at 7:07 p.m. and end at 7:20 p.m. For Kanpur, it will start at 6:56 p.m. and end at 7:20 p.m. For Kolkata, it will start at 6:15 p.m. and end at 7:20 p.m. For Lucknow, it will start at 6:54 p.m. and end at 7:20 p.m. For Mumbai, Maharashtra, eclipse will start at 7:13 p.m. and end at 7:20 p.m. For New Delhi, eclipse will start at 7:14 p.m. and end at 7:20 p.m. For Vishakhapatnam, eclipse will start at 6:27 p.m. and end at 7:20 p.m. So these are the times for India. So eclipse is in Vrishik Rashi, and Vrishik Rashi falls in the seventh house of India's freedom chart. So India may see some enemy activities across the border, and we may have to deal with it. Trouble with some neighboring countries. We may have to go with some little war or some kind of issues we will have with respect to the war and such kind of things. And in order to avoid that, one may chant the Ishtadev, do the Ishtadevta Puja, Kula Devta Puja, or Mahamrityunjay Japa. So this Japa during the Grahan time will help nation as well as you personally also. Thanks. Now we are talking about the predictions for the eclipse. What is going to happen? Eclipse is happening in Vrashik Rashi, Anuradha Nakshatra. So people with Anuradha Nakshatra needs to be very careful. Results are for the following Chandra Rashis. Good for Mithuna, Kanya, Makar and Kumbh Rashi. Those if whose moon sign is Mithun or Kanya or Makar or Kumbh. If you do not know your moon sign, please visit mypanchang.com, click on astrology. You can get your moon sign Janma Lagna also. So even if your Janma Lagna is Mithuna, Kanya or Makara or Kumbh, it will be good. What happens if one of your Lagna, one of your Lagna say is Mithuna and Rashi is Simha? So it will say good for Mithuna and bad for Simha. What would you do in that case? It will be the mixed results, because people will experience both the things in the life, as most of us do. So people whose Janma Rashi or Lagna is Vrishabha, Karka, Tula or Meena, it will be medium. Those who are born in Mesh Rashi or Mesh Lagna, like for example Mesh, Simha, Vrishika and Dhanush, it is going to be very bad. It is going to be bad for them. So what is the remedy? You can do Ishta Devta, Kula Devta Puja during Grahana and do Mahamrityunjay Japa. Doing Japa during Grahana is very auspicious, but you can do Manasik Japa. For more details, you can contact your local priest or temple priest. They will be glad to give you more information. Thanks.
आपका इस YouTube चैनल पे आने के लिए धन्यवाद। मेरा नाम पंडित महेश शास्त्री है और मैं mypanchang.com वेबसाइट के लिए प्रधान पंचांग करता हूँ और संचालक भी हूँ। आपका इस YouTube चैनल पे आने के लिए धन्यवाद। आप कृपा करके mypanchang.com वेबसाइट को नियमित रूप से विजिट करें और हमारे इस YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। धन्यवाद।